Hello everyone, it's your girl Benny and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to prepare this sumptuous grandma's garden egg sauce. On the table for this, we have eggplant and the ordinary garden egg. You can use ordinary eggplant or you can use the garden egg. So today I'm going to be using the eggplant and the normal garden egg that we know, but you can use any of them. I'm going to wash this. After washing, I'll slice, I'll boil before using it. We are going to be using our oil, palm oil. You can use ground oil if you want. Then we're going to use the salt. This is mixed spices. This is bouillon cube, crayfish. Then in here, I have the fish that I've already washed, fried, deboned, and I smashed it. Then we are going to be using chopped onions, tomatoes, chili pepper. We have atarodo, we have yellow pepper, and the this other pepper, I think this is chili pepper. I'm going to chop everything, but if you have your food processor, you can use it. So first of all, we are going to cut this eggplant and put on the gas to boil. Try to soften it before we now mash it. So I've already washed it and now I'm cutting to send to the pot. When we were much younger, grandma, when she come visiting, she want to prepare something like this for us. I'll be like, what kind of ahead food is this? We didn't know it was that sumptuous until we now tasted it. And from then, as I grew up, I started preparing it. Even my kids, they love it so much. That's why I make out time to prepare this sauce for them. You can eat it with yam, you can eat it with rice, you can eat it with boiled potato. And if you are watching your weight, you can also eat it. You can eat it to eat cauliflower rice, you can eat to eat potato, or you can eat it just like that and you'll be full and it will take you a long way. So I'm done chopping this. I'm now sending it to the pot so that it will boil for like maybe 5 minutes. So it's going in for boiling. So I'll allow it to boil for like 5 minutes. So this is what it looks like after 5 minutes. So I'm going to strain the water now, then now mash before I start my cooking. If you are mashing it, you have to be fast, as hot as it is like this. Because if it gets cold, you might find it difficult to mash. Or when it's a bit cool, you can add it to your food processor or your blender and mash. Put a clean pan on the fire, allow it to dry. You can see there's no water in the pan. You now add your oil. Like I said, you can use your palm oil or you can use vegetable oil. Depends on what you want. You can increase the quantity and increase the other ingredients. Allow the oil to heat up. Like I said before, you can use it to eat boiled yam, fried yam, boiled potato, fried potato, or you can use it to eat your rice. It's also good for those who are watching their weight. The oil is hot now. I'll now pour in my chopped onions and allow it to fry. You stir so it doesn't get burnt. When it has fried, the onions has fried for like 3 minutes, you can now add in your chopped pepper, tomatoes, and others. So I'm pouring the chopped tomatoes and pepper now. You allow it to fry for like 5 minutes. If you are watching up to this moment and you have not liked or subscribed, please do to encourage your girl. Thank you. You can see how well it is frying. And you can see how the oil is in the pan now to tell you that it has really, really fried. So now I'm going to add my seasoning. I'm adding my seasoning cubes, my mixed spiced, then my crayfish. Wow, the aroma coming out from my kitchen is something else. Something else. You need to try this. Just try it. Try it. Wherever you are watching from, just try it. So I'm adding my chopped or mashed fried fish. You can use chicken, you can use boiled deboned fish, any protein of your choice you can use. Everything is well combined now, so I can now add my mashed garden egg. You can use eggplant or you can use the normal garden egg. Anyone is your choice. But this one I'm doing now, I combined the both of them. So now we are adding our mashed garden egg. You can see what we have gotten here. Try it and you thank me later. Wow, I love this. Because the garden egg was already boiled, you don't need to leave on the fire for a long time. So I'm just going to add my salt now, and I'll turn off the heat. I'll now taste for salt. Excuse me. Wow, the salt is okay, and our sauce is ready. Please share, like, and subscribe. It is good to go down with boiled yam or boiled potato. I'll see you later. Just keep liking and keep liking. Bye-bye.